Games and apps. Games and experiences on the Oculus Go are a varied bunch. There are over 1,000 apps, movies, games and short-form VR experiences that launched for the Go, being a mixture of brand new titles and remixed Rift and Gear VR content. Oculus has a relatively open submission system for apps, making the quality of each experience vary, but there's already a lot of great stuff to play with, and we'd rather have the option of dipping our toes into less polished titles than not at all. Republic for Oculus Go. Republic for Oculus Go. Whether rattling along a cartoony roller coaster, firing at targets in coaster combat, jumping on stage into the middle of a 360-degree concert in the Melody VR app, or settling down for a sedate game of super popular board game Catan in VR, the Oculus Go rarely stuttered during play. Load times could be a little longer than you'd like, but when it's firing on all cylinders, titles like sci-fi stealth em-up Republic and space shooter Anshar Online look impressive considering there's no external processing occurring. The Go houses a Snapdragon 821 processor, the same one found in handsets like the LG G6.